It's 2024 now, and AI has become more powerful in writing than you can imagine. Hi, this is Tenorshare AI. AI Writer is now able to help us write in all aspects of writing. Today, I'd like to introduce you to a powerful AI writing assistant, Tenorshare AI Writer, which includes over 120 writing tools that provide compelling, personalized content for social media, marketing, advertising, and more. I'm going to show you in detail how to use it to write a professional email. First of all, we have to come to its official website. I will put the link in the description. Now we can see the home page. Click Try for free here, and then we will see a lot of tools. Click See All. You can see that there is AI Translator, Quillbot Paraphraser, Instagram Caption Generator, and so on. Let's try AI Email Generator. Here you can enter your email purpose. Let's try apology email to customer due to work mistake. Then select target audience. There are many options here, such as shoppers, business owners, and so on. Here you can choose tone of voice, which means you can make your email more professional, more native, or more detailed. Below that, we have a wide range of languages to choose from, which is very friendly for multilingual users. I'm going to try Espanol. Here we can choose the model we want to use. There are two options, ChatGPT 4o Mini and ChatGPT 4o. After all these settings, click on Generate. Then a fully structured email has been generated here, with lots of options over here to copy it and edit the text online, which is very convenient. Go ahead and give it a try. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. See you next time.